Well, what you see standing right beside me is clearly a Lexus, but rather because this is the new ES500e. That's right, the first battery electric vehicle from Lexus right here in India. So in this quick video, I'm going to be talking about its design, its specs, the features, and everything that makes this luxury sedan really special. So stick around. वेल इससे पहले हम बात करने लगे सारे इंटरेस्टिंग और टेक्निकल डिटेल्स के बारे में अबाउट द ES500e, yes the EV. Let's talk about the design of this new generation sedan. Now, as you will see, front look iska is not that busy as we have been used to seeing in Lexus cars because of the spindle grills and all that. In fact, this has been minimized and cleared out, and there sits the Lexus logo in the center. But more importantly, look at this element here. Now these are two L-shaped LED DRL and LED indicator elements that make for a complete Z and look really sharp. यहाँ नीचे आपको देखने को मिल जाएगा the new projector based LED headlamp unit. This is the main headlamp, and here below you will get to see the cornering lamp, which is again in LED. Now the shade looks really nice, and let's move on to the side profile of the new ES and talk about what's going on in terms of design and all. Coming quickly to the side profile of the new ES, idhar clear hota hai the entire expanse of this over 5 meter long luxury sedan that Lexus has just launched. Now it is bigger and wider than the older model. To be specific, this car is around 170 mm longer than the previous model. Now here you get to see the 21-inch alloy wheels that are coming in the 500e. Now this is the top spec 500e, which comes with all-wheel drive, 580 kilometers of range, and a lot more that we will be talking about shortly. Now one of the most distinct design elements on the side is this blacked out trees that you see going along the side of the side profile. Now this is pretty unique. We haven't seen this in any other Lexus or rival brand, and it gives the 500e a very distinct appearance. Now the other significant thing that the car has here are these semi-flush door handles. Now, of course, there has been a lot of debate going on around flush door handles and their practicality and safety. Lexus seems to have come to a midway with that entire debate. Now let's go to the rear and take a look. अब इससे पहले मैं आपको इसका बहुत ही sleek rear look दिखाऊं, let's talk about this entire shape that Lexus has come up with the new ES. Now this is not a long wheel base, but it looks like a fastback design, a silhouette that is going on, and certainly the car is bigger now, and with this sloping roofline, it also presumably has a lot of extra room in the second row this time around. With that done, अब देखते हैं कि पीछे के लुक में क्या खास है in the new ES500e. Well, I'm happy to report that the connected LED tail lamp trend has reached Lexus as well. And here you get the Lexus logo embedded into the tail lamp, into the connected LED element itself. This glows also. Here you have the ES500e badging. Of course, the all-wheel drive, which is really interesting to see कि ये गाड़ी इंडिया में अपने टॉप स्पेक पे लाई गई है. And all-wheel drive is also, you know, it also signifies or, you know, hints towards the car having really performance-oriented dynamics and really powerful drive. And in continuation, you can see that the lower part of the bumper has the indicators embedded into it, along with reflectors and a stop lamp as well. Now with the design of the new ES500e covered, let's take a quick look at what is happening inside. Alright, so now I'm sitting inside the new ES500e, and well, the first thing that is striking to me is that इस बार Lexus ने इस गाड़ी के साथ एक strategy बहुत ही hardcore follow कर रहे हैं, and that is pure minimalism. Because as you can see, यहाँ पर dashboard में and in the center console and everywhere else, everything is designated in a very clear manner. And in terms of operative touch points, आपके पास है steering wheel पे tactile buttons that you can use to toggle through the driver information display and also operate your infotainment controls. But apart from that, सामने आपको देखने को मिलता है the 12.3 inch digital driver information display, and यहाँ सेंटर में एक बड़ा सा 14 inch का high resolution infotainment touchscreen भी है. Now, I know that this car comes with a 17 speaker premium audio system, and overall it is a good balance of things that feel very natural. The ambience is really opened up and the colors are very muted, which gives a very open feeling inside the cabin. What we can see in the car, in the particular car that we are sitting in right now, is a mix of very light brown wood with white leatherite and also blacks and grays going on in the main dashboard. Of course, the car also gets a heads-up display, and यहाँ बीच में सेंटर कंसोल में आपको देखने को मिल जाते हैं दो वायरलेस मोबाइल चार्जर्स, एंड देन यू हैव दिस कंसील्ड 2 कप होल्डर्स एज वेल। अब आ जाते हैं ड्राइव सिलेक्टर में। बाकी की पूरी गाड़ी की तरह ये भी बहुत ही सिंपलिस्टिक, मिनिमलिस्टिक बट स्टिल प्रीमियम फील दे रहा है। यू हैव योर ग्लास इंसर्ट हियर, जिसमें आपको पार्किंग का एक सेपरेट बटन देखने को मिल रहा है, एंड देन यू हैव दिस टॉगल स्विच जहां पर आप रिवर्स, न्यूट्रल, ड्राइव और फिर मैनुअल मोड में सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ऑफ कोर्स यू गेट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पार्किंग ब्रेक, ऑटो होल्ड एंड ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल बंद करने का बटन भी यहीं बीच में है। Going on with the minimalistic theme, Lexus has cut down on physical buttons to quite some extent. Instead, they have these hidden buttons that light up when you reach for any of the functions, and tactile control के नाम पे you only have this toggle switch that you can use for your volume control or power. What are your thoughts on that? Let me know in the comment section below, because there is a lot of debate going on around the importance of physical buttons, the importance of muscle memory, and how car brands are now slowly moving back towards physical buttons rather than relying only on screens and touch pads. Now, of course, there is a very big single pane electric sunroof also here, and overall अब थोड़ा सा specs के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं। I have told you that this is the 500e. This is the top spec ES that is there from Lexus right now. इसमें all-wheel drive आता है, which means this is a dual motor setup. It produces 373 horsepower and can do 0 to 100 in 5.3 seconds. In terms of battery capacity, इसमें बैटरी है 74.69 किलोवाट आवर्स की, जो एक claimed range देती है of 580 kilometers, as I told you earlier. Now guys, let's come to the party piece of the 500e, which is of course the rear passenger seat, जहाँ पर most owners अपना time spend करेंगे, and मैंने आपको बताया था that this time the car is longer and wider. Particularly, it is 170 mm longer, which gives me a lot of leg room here. And of course, there is a lot of great support for my back as well. Now, of course, for added passenger comfort, you have a center console here. इसमें काफी ज़्यादा storage spaces भी हैं for your knickknacks. 2 cup holders भी हैं यहाँ पर. And that's about it. You of course get 2 air vents here as well, along with 2 USB-C points. Of course, highlight यहाँ पर है इस गाड़ी का leg room. As you can see, I'm sitting pretty comfortably here. Now I have a height of 5'11". I've got ample of space here on my headroom thanks to that fastback style roofline that the ES has for this time around. Now this is also a special element here in the door panels. This is bamboo wood inserts that Lexus has given with the new model. Of course, for entry and exit, you get these electronic style buttons, but इस गाड़ी का locking system is not completely electronic. It has manual override as well for added safety. Now, of course, for added privacy, you also get these manual blinds that you can use and place them like that. अब देखिए, अगर Lexus ने आपको 580 किलोमीटर की रेंज दी है with the new ES, then of course they expect you to take it out on road trips, and to facilitate that, you have ample amount of storage area in the boot here, but most importantly, you even have a spare wheel here, and this is not a run flat, but it's a temporary one still, and it is advised to get your original tire fixed as soon as possible if you ever come across any puncture or bad tire situation. So that was a quick walk around of the newly launched Lexus ES 500e, जो Lexus ले आया है इंडिया में at a price of rupees 89.99 lakh ex showroom. Now there is a difference when you compare it to the earlier model, where it had been started to be made in India by 2020. ये वाली गाड़ी Lexus लेके आ रहा है as a CBU and a full import. Now I have told you about the price, the range, the features and all. अब जो रह गया है वो है आपका कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बताना कि व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस न्यू लग्जरी इलेक्ट्रिक सेडान दैट हैज जस्ट बीन लॉन्च्ड, and if you haven't already, do subscribe to the Times Drive channel for more such videos.